Hello, hi guys. Yeah, this is Marifiki again. Yeah, now we are going to look at probability grade 10, the basic of probability, how most of learners can understand what is probability. In most cases, probability, we are speaking of possible chances out of all chances that we have for a certain event. So let's take a fair dice as an example. A dice have 6 sides, of which the side is named 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's what we know. Then the sample space of the event of numbers that we have on this dice are 6, meaning our sample space is going to be equals to 6. We have 6 possible chances of outcome numbers. So for now, if we want to know the probability of getting a 1 or a dice, meaning you are going to calculate the probability of getting a 1 is equals to 1. We have only one possible chance to find 1 on a fair dice, meaning if we throw a dice, then the die we get a 1 on a dice. It's only one possible chances to get a 1 dice on out of 6 possible chances. Therefore, if you want to take it to percentage, then you will multiply by 100 and getting the percentage. Then the probability of getting a 6, meaning roaring, you are going to find only 6 on a dice, meaning how many possible chances to find a 6? It's only 1 6 on a dice, meaning you are going to have 1 over out of 6 possible outcomes. Therefore, now we are going to move a probability of getting an even number on a dice. How many even numbers we have on a dice? We have 2, 4, 6. That's our even numbers, meaning we have 3 possible chances of outcome out of 6 possible chances, meaning you are going to have 3 over 6, of which is equals to 1 over 2, of which is 50% chances to find an even number on a fair dice. Therefore, if we throw a dice again and we calculate we want to calculate the probability of getting an odd number, we are going to have a odd number. There is 1, 3, 5. Is any number that you divide by 2 and give you 5. Therefore, meaning odd number is 1, 3, 5, and so forth. So we have only 3 odd numbers on our fair dice, of which we are going to have 3 possible outcomes out of 6 possible chances. Probability of a fair dice, let's say probability of an odd number is going to be equals to 3 out of 6, of which is 1 over 2, meaning we have 50% possible chances. Therefore, from then, you are going to look at, let's say, the probability of getting 3 or 4. The probability of getting 3 or 4. Then you are going to use an addition rule, where you are going to have the probability of event A or event B is going to be equals to probability of event A plus probability of event B plus probability of event A and B at the same time. Therefore, we are going to have, it is subtraction here, subtraction. Therefore, you are going to have probability of getting 3 or 4. Therefore, you are going to have probability of getting 3 or 4, meaning you are going to have probability of 3 plus the probability of getting 4 minus probability of getting 3 and 4 at the same time, of which it is already not applicable. Why? Because on our fair dice, we can't find 2 numbers at the same time, meaning you are going to find only 1 number either 4 or 3, meaning we can't find 4 and 3 at the same time. Therefore, now the probability of getting 3 is how much? The probability of getting 3 is 1 out of 6 possible chances, and the probability of getting 4 is 1 out of 6 possible chances, of which is going to be equals to 2 out of 6. Therefore, the probability of getting 3 or 4 is going to be equals to 1 over 2, of which is 50% possible chances to find 3 or 4 on not is going to be 1 over 3. Sorry for calculations. It's going to be 1 over 3, of which is going to be equals to that certain amount. You will use calculator to find the percentages. Then you multiply 1 over 3 by 100, then you find the percentage. Then so far so good. I thank you.